Hello everyone, welcome back to another fishing adventure. We are launched out on the kayak once again. Got two rods with me today. We got our medium light 6 foot with 6 pound line and a brand new combo down there. We'll talk about that more here in a little bit. It is a light rod with 4 pound line. So we're going light today, and of course, as always, we are going for the multi-species. Whatever is out feeding aggressively is what we are after. So let's go ahead and start throwing this little shad fry around on this setup and hopefully run into some aggressive fish. Got some pretty clear water today. It's very calm, so we're keeping it simple. Just a little shad fry. We're gonna be slowly kind of swimming this thing in. There we go. We are on fish number 1. Come on, buddy. All right, starting off with the little bass. Thank you, buddy. Good old shad fry to start things off. Thank you, bud. There's another one. There we go. Another little bass, about the same size. I think I've been getting some bluegill pecks too. We may need to pick up our other little rod here soon. Bluegill can definitely bite this lure, but sometimes they have a little bit of trouble. It's pretty small, but sometimes the bluegill, if they're not super aggressive, they can have a little bit of trouble. Alrighty, decided to go ahead and pick up the other rod. We got a little bit smaller of a lure on this one, and I believe I've been getting bluegill bites. So we'll see if we can get them with the little Bobby Garland Itty Bit, and we got a little bitty jig head on there as well. So it should work out pretty good. Never tried this color before. I think it might have been some kind of like burnt shad color maybe. So we'll go ahead and try that out. Also, this is our brand new KastKing setup. We've got 4 pound line, and this is a 6 foot light rod. It feels very nice, and that light action should make these pretty good bluegill in here, and the decent little bass. Should be a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and start throwing this around a little bit. Oh, that's a fish. As soon as it hit the water over there, I think it's a bass. It hasn't came up and jumped yet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was pretty cool. Pretty much as soon as it hit the water, I thought it was snagged on grass, but it was a little bass. Thank you, buddy. Alrighty, first ever bass on this itty bit color I haven't tried yet. Thank you, buddy. Oh, that's a fish. I was trying to adjust the camera, and I felt that little bitty bite. Where is this fish at? Hold on now. Let me bring you on around. Oh, there we go. Finally. Well, I kind of came out here way off the bank, because in the past I used to just kind of sit out here somewhere and catch all sorts of fish. But there we go. Finally got our first gill of the morning. Thank you, buddy. Yep, felt that. Oh my, what is that? That's what's great about these little light rods so far, especially this one. I mean, just that little bitty peck I was able to feel. Ooh, there we go. That is a little bit bigger than that first one. Pretty decent one. There are some really nice ones in here. That's what I'm hoping for today. They are a lot of fun to catch. Oh, there we go. What do we got? Little largy. Figured there had to be something over here by this tree, and there's like a beaver dam back behind the tree. Lots of structure over here. Little largy. Oh, see you, bud. Oh yeah, that fish came out and grabbed it. Whoa, where's it going? Come on, buddy. That fish bit it real fast. Something's on there. Oh wow. I thought it was a little bitty, but it might be a little bit decent maybe. Oh yeah, not too bad. There's a lot of fish over there in that, over there where all that beaver dam is. Oh, hold on, bud. It's a pretty solid chunky one right there. Something ripped the tail off, but I just kept casting it in there. We're still getting bit. There we go. Another one over there. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah. And we're starting to get into the nice ones over here. Another pretty good chunky one. See you, buddy. Oh, he's just splashed everywhere. This is usually a pretty good bank right here. Oh yeah. This is one of my favorite banks. Oh snap. This one's bending the rod pretty good. I can't even, where's it at? I think it went way under the kayak. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah. It's a pretty long one. Thank you, bud. I think this bank somewhere along here might drop off a little bit more. It's usually really good for the bigger bluegill, so we'll see. Oh, that's a bite. That fish just came over and grabbed it. Looks like a bass. He's jumping. Hold on, buddy. Come here. Another little bass. Another little chunky one. They definitely eat good in this place. Thank you, bud. Oh, has he got it? He did grab it. I seen that fish come up and swipe at it. Not sure what it is. That was cool. I watched it. Watched it happen. Shoot. Must be a bluegill. Way it's fighting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's probably our, let's land them first. That is probably our nicest bluegill so far. Nice summertime colors, chunky, hard fighting fish right there. Thank you, buddy. That felt really good on that light setup. Thank you, bud. There we go. There we go. On the old shad fry. Whoa, a little bit bigger than I thought. Hold on, bud. Well, today's weather is different than what it showed on the weather app last night. Thank you, buddy. Pretty sure it was supposed to be sunny, not very cloudy at all, 10% chance of rain. And well, it is pretty much mostly cloudy out here. And I think it even sprinkled a little bit earlier. So definitely not complaining. I would much rather it be cloudy and sprinkle a little bit for sure. But with it being cloudy, I'm wondering if maybe I should try a different lure, maybe something a little more flashy. I may do that at some point. But for now, I guess we'll try this shad a little bit more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we definitely don't need to change this lure. But I was kind of thinking on my other light setup, I do got some little beetle spins. I could throw a little beetle spin on there and put that little itty bit as the trailer. Hold on, buddy. You wasn't ready to come out of the water yet, was you? See you, bud. Another one. Oh, our drag was a little bit loose. Tighten that up a little bit. Oh, another largie. Oh, snap. He got water everywhere. Oh, wow. He hammered that thing. Come here, bud. He's a little skinny. That might be the skinniest one so far. Wow, he choked on that thing. Look at that. Well, I don't think I mentioned it yet. Let me get this out. Pretty sure this is the Smelt color little shad fry, part of the Micro Z-Man series. Yeah, that fish is definitely one of the skinnier ones. See, bud? Yeah, I think it's the Smelt color, and I've got it on the little, I think it's called a HeadZ Micro little jig head. Works perfectly together as designed, I believe. Alrighty, it's looking like it's going to be cloudy for a pretty good while, so I went ahead and got me a beetle spin. We got that little itty bit as the trailer, and I think that should work out pretty good with it being cloudy. Oh, there we go. On the beetle spin, a little bitty bass. All right, that took, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 casts maybe with the little beetle spin. Thank you, buddy. There we go. There we go. Another one. Alright, so far the beetle spin is performing pretty decently. Dang. Decent little bass. Nice little chunky one. Trying to just really slowly reel this thing in. See, buddy, but I gotta be a little bit careful. because all the sticks and grass and stuff. But I think if we slowly swim this thing in, I think it's going to work out pretty dang good. There we go. There we go. Finally got one. Getting lots of pecks out here. Ooh, that's actually a pretty good fish. Oh wow, that one's real skinny. Usually them bluegill ain't real skinny like that. Thank you, buddy. Ooh, there we go. That is a bass. Well, decent one, I think. Hold on, buddy. Whoa. Oh yeah, got him up here in the shallows. Alright. Little decent one on the beetle spin. Thank you, buddy. Oh, snap. Something bit it real close to the kayak. Where's it at? Come on, buddy.